Cosmetic procedures can range from teeth whitening all the way to veneers or cosmetic crowns, whether it be trying to regain function, regain a lost smile, or regain confidence that you lost because of an accident or missing teeth. Well, smile makeover is where you want to improve your smile, whether that be regaining the length of your teeth because they've been worn down through years. So essentially what we do is we look and see what's missing, and then we make a customized treatment plan for you. And then we sit down together and see what the best options are, whether it be veneers or crowns, or even simple, minimally invasive composite veneers. So we make sure that everybody has an individualized treatment plan, and it's one of those life-changing procedures that we do for our patients. We listen and then we understand what your goals are. Then we'll make a treatment plan together that you're comfortable with. And these are all things that we do all the time. So we're very confident that we'll be able to deliver a result that you'll be happy with and we'll be happy with too. If you're ever thinking about doing a smile makeover or see if you're a candidate for a smile makeover, reach out to our office, give us a call, request an appointment online, and we'll be more than happy to talk with you and meet with you and see if we can help you. We'll be more than happy to do that.